What's up, y'all? It's Amber Alred, and I'm back. How y'all like my new intro? Okay, I'm just saying though. But anyway, I'm back with a new quick tutorial for the summertime. This is a super cute and simple style. So we're gonna do a braided ponytail today. I'm taking a pack of Expressions hair, and as you can see, I have her holding half of it in the front, and then I have half of it hanging. And I'm gonna use the rubber bands that come in the pack wrapped around the braiding hair, and I'm gonna just wrap that around the braiding hair and her ponytail like you see here. Anybody who's new to my channel or haven't seen, I have a tutorial video on how I got her ponytail molded so sleek, and I'll make sure I put it in the link down below. Now, once you've secured the braiding hair to the ponytail, you're going to pull it all together like so. Then you'll take out a piece for you to wrap around the base of the ponytail. Make sure that you wrap the base very firmly, not too tight to where you're causing yourself or your client pain, but definitely firm enough to make sure that we're keeping this ponytail in place. Now, once we have the base wrapped really good, we're going to spray the base of that ponytail with some spritz. I like to use Helmet Head and Fantasia. These two are what I prefer, but you can use whatever you prefer. And I'm going to spritz that base and blow dry it really well to make sure that everything stays intact. Now, once you've done that, you're going to go in with some gloss spray or some oil sheen to spray on the braiding hair, and that just ensures that you don't catch any tangles as you're braiding, as well as it will give it an extra shine. We're doing the butterfly braid technique, and you would start it like a regular braid. Make sure that you have your client's hair tucked under that braid very well, and you're just going to go down and do a regular braid. Once you've done that, we're going to go in and we're going to pull the outside edges of the braid out. You can pull the edges out as much as you like, and that's what gives the butterfly effect. And it's so pretty, and it's not something where you have to be very particular about. It's a style that you can kind of freestyle with it. It doesn't have to be super neat, and it just comes out really big and beautiful, and it's actually very elegant looking. So just keep pulling out the edges of the braid to your liking. You're going to work your way all the way down. Now, what I would suggest is when you are braiding this braid initially, don't do it too tight. I think that I messed up a little bit because once I got down to the bottom, it was super tight. So it was kind of hard for me to pull the edges out. So you want to braid it, and you don't want it too loose, but definitely not too tight, because that'll help give you a better butterfly effect. When you get down to the bottom where it's really little, you can take a rat tail to help you finished pulling out the sides of the braid. And this is our finished product. It turned out so cute. Now you guys let me know how yours turned out. If you have any comments, tips, or questions, please don't forget to drop them down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.